Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this skin installation video. Appreciate your time, your support. Man, I am having so much fun with my LG G Flex and my renewed, I should say, / refurbished LG V20, shooting this video 1080p, 60 frames per second. So please let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds. Got a video up for you to watch, vlogging about the nostalgic LG G Flex and the V20. Huge shout out to LG. Just talking about how much fun I'm having with these devices and sharing the content with all of you. So if you haven't seen it, please go watch it. And if you have, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So the fun continues. We're going to do a skin install. So I got the blow dryer here, and that's to warm up the skin so the adhesive on the back of the skin will adhere to the back of my LG G Flex. I'm probably not going to put on the front part of the skin, just the back. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to move this over here and lay down. It's really slick here on my desk. And I got this ugly green mat here that we're going to use so my Flex stays in place. In the package that came in the mail, we got the skin, the receipt, but we did not get an alcohol prep pad, but you're going to need one. Okay, so I'm sure you have one sitting around your home somewhere, and you will need a microcloth to wipe it down. So what we're going to do is begin the process. As far as the blow dryer, you want to constantly move it around, and you'll see me doing that in the video because I'm going to speed up this process and then we'll see the end result. So it's very important, constantly moving that heat around so it doesn't sit in one spot of your smartphone. You do not, and I'm going to say it again, do not want to damage your smartphone. So with that being said, enjoy the music, enjoy the process. Any questions, anything I leave out, please ask down below in the comment section.
And here we go.
I am definitely loving this skin on my LG G Flex. I like the fact that it's covering up that T-Mobile logo because it's not a T-Mobile LG G Flex. I understand why the company had to do that. It's a refurbished device, but it looks brand new. It really does, but yeah, I wanted to cover that up. And this skin is definitely doing that for me, and it just looks really nice. Now I'm going to be using a case, but still, just looking at it this way, it just gives it a little extra some, you know what I'm saying? A little extra pizzazz. I'm loving it. I'm digging it. You let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Doesn't have that carbon fiber texture. That's okay. It looks like it's carbon fiber. Little matte feel to that. A little smooth, a little grip. Yeah, I got to sport a case, man. Got to protect my investment. But if you did get a skin for your LGG Flex, if you have one, or if you decide you want to pick one up, and you don't want a sporty case, even though I'm not going to support that, that definitely will catch the eye right there. All right, everybody, thanks for coming along, checking out this video, skin installation. Again, the information will be down below in the description area, walmart.com. Mighty Skins, definitely getting the job done for me and my LGG Flex. Thanks for coming along on this journey with the nostalgic LGG Flex and the LG V20 shooting this video. Stay safe and healthy. God bless. Peace. I am out.